Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I am going to try and do a very soft and easy eyeshadow glam look. So whenever you're in a rush or you just want to get glam but make it easy and fast, then this video is going to focus on that. I'm going to make the eyeshadow very easy but at the same time very cute and very glam. I'm not gonna do any cut crease or anything, so if you are not a cut crease person, don't worry. In today's video I am not going to cut my crease or anything like that because again I want the eyeshadow to be very cute, simple and easy to do. So before we get started, if you guys haven't subscribed to my channel, go ahead and subscribe to my channel and also hit that bell notification so that way you guys get notified whenever I post a video. And without any further ado, let's go ahead and get started. Alright you guys, so I went ahead and already did my brows and I also concealed my lid. So now I'm gonna go ahead and put me some foundation. I usually start doing my eyeshadows first, but since we're doing like a very simple eyeshadow, I usually like to just go ahead and apply my foundation. So the foundation that I'm gonna be using today is from Milani. This is the Conceal Plus Perfect. It's a 2-in-1 foundation. It has a foundation and concealer as well. So if you want, you can also apply this under your eyes. So I'm just gonna go ahead and apply that baby. So I'm always forgetting to apply primer before I put my foundation. So before I do that, I'm just gonna go ahead and quickly put my primer. Today I am using the e.l.f. Poreless Putty Primer. I did a review on this on my other videos, so go ahead and check it out after this video if you're interested. So I'm just gonna quickly apply it right here because this is where I mostly get oily, and I'm going to try and apply it here because I already put foundation. Oh, I just messed up my foundation and some on my forehead. Okay, so now we are ready to apply our foundation. So this foundation compared to the L'Oreal foundation, which is this one has more of a liquidy sensation, while this one is more creamy, if that makes sense. So that's the only difference. And then I'm gonna go with my sponge and I'm just gonna start blending my foundation. I don't like wearing white shirt when I'm recording or when I'm doing my makeup because this is what ends up happening. And now I have to use another shirt, but oh well. But yeah guys, you just go ahead and basically with your sponge try to blend out all the foundation. Okay, so just like this. And then I'm gonna go ahead and contour my face. So using the NYX Wonder Stick, I'm gonna go ahead and use the darker shade, and I'm just gonna go ahead and contour just like this. Apply some on my forehead just like this, and right here on my jawline. Don't forget your jawline. And I'm just gonna apply some right here on the center of my nose, just like so. And then what I like to do is grab my contour brush and then I grab my setting spray and I just spray that baby. And then I want the brush to be wet so that way I can blend my contour. And then I'm going to grab my contour brush, which is the Morphe E62, and then I'm just gonna go ahead and blend out that contour. So just like this, guys. And then what I'm gonna do is apply concealer under my eyes. So with that being said, I'm gonna go with the e.l.f. Camo 16-hour Camo Concealer. And this is the shade warm, medium warm. So I'm just gonna apply it under my eyes. I'm sorry if you guys hear a lot of trucks in the background. It's just that it's the middle of the day. But I'm gonna go with my sponge and I'm just gonna blend out. So the next step I'm gonna do is grab my butter bronzer and basically just bronze and sculpt my face. So I'm just gonna apply it right here. And using that bronzer, I'm gonna go ahead and also bronze the nose. And then I'm gonna grab my sponge and basically I'm just pressing that bronzer. Just like so. And then what I'm gonna go ahead and do next is basically set my face. So the one that I've been using a lot is from the Sponge brand, which is the loose face powder. And what I really like about this powder is that it smells so good. So I'm gonna go ahead and grab my sponge and apply it under my eyes. And then to sculpt the nose, I'm just gonna grab and I'm gonna go ahead and apply powder right here and then on the side. And so I'm just gonna let it bake, and that's really gonna help me sculpt the nose. And then I'm gonna grab more powder and apply it right here under my jawline. Okay guys, so after that I'm gonna go ahead and apply my blush. I just want to basically do all my makeup base. So I'm gonna apply the Maybelline Fit Me blush, which is the shade Rose. I'm just gonna grab my brush and apply it right here on the apples of my cheeks. I think I put a lot, but I don't care because I love a lot of blush, honestly. Okay guys, so while we let that baby bake and everything, I'm going to apply just a little bit of of translucent powder underneath my eyes, so that way if there's any fallouts on my eyeshadow, then this is going to basically help me remove that. So just like this. I know it looks crazy, but trust me, you could always remove the powder with a brush. So now we're gonna go ahead and do the eyes, guys. So as you guys can see, my concealer always creases. So grab like a clean brush and you just want to diffuse or blend out the concealer again, just like so. So you see the difference? So this one is still creasing, whatever, but we're gonna do that later. I just want to focus on this eye first. Okay, so the palette that I'm gonna be using today is from Morphe. This is the 350 Natural Glow palette. So going with this shade right here, this is like a beige shade. So I'm gonna go with this one and basically apply it all over my lid. And so this one is gonna help your concealer stay in place. And then I'm gonna go ahead and grab this brown shade right here, and I'm just gonna apply it on my brush. And I'm going to start just over here, like on top of your crease. And then I'm also gonna start bringing it downwards. And then you want to build like a small tail, just like I'm doing right now. And then what I'm gonna do next is grab this off-white shade right here, and I'm gonna apply it right here on my inner corner. And then to blend out the outer corner, I'm gonna go ahead and grab this shade. This is like a light brown. And then I'm just gonna start bringing it outwards. Alright you guys, so the next thing I'm gonna do is grab a dark brown shade, which I'm gonna do right now, which is like something like this, and I'm going to start applying it right here. And so what you're doing right now is basically doing an eyeliner. So just like this guys, this is how this simple eyeshadow came out. It's very easy. You just basically apply like a brown color right here on your outer corner. Make sure it's perfectly blended, and then once you do that, you go ahead and basically apply like a white eyeshadow or an off-white eyeshadow as well. And then you basically grab a dark brown shade and you start mimicking like a eyeliner, and that's how you get this eyeshadow effect going on right now. So I'm gonna go off camera and do this side of the face, the same step as this one, and I will be right back with you guys in a second. Alright you guys, so I am back and I went ahead and did this eye as well. So both of my eyes are complete, and I also went ahead and applied my lashes. The lashes that I am wearing right now is from Lurella, which is the style Nina. So now to complete the eye, I'm gonna go ahead and do my under eyes. So I'm gonna grab my palette again and I'm gonna go with this shade right here. And then I'm gonna grab my mascara. So this is how the eyes looks complete. I usually like to apply a shimmer shade right here on my inner corner, but today I want my eyes to stay very matte and very simple but cute as well. So I'm not gonna apply any shimmer shade on my inner corner. So now what I'm gonna go ahead and do is apply my lip liner and my lipstick, and that should be the end of this makeup. Okay, so for the lip liner, I'm gonna go ahead and use this lip pencil. This is from LA Girl Perfect Precision Lip Liner. This is the shade Sugar and Spice. And then going with the next lipstick, and this is the shade Dainty Days, and I'm gonna apply it all over my lips. So that completes this look. I'm gonna go off camera and do my hair very quickly, and I'll be back with you guys in a second. Alright you guys, so this is the final look of this makeup. Let me know if you guys enjoy watching this makeup, and let me know if you guys want another glam and easy look like this one. So if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give me a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel, hit the bell notification so that way you guys get notified whenever I post a video. And without any further ado, my loves, I hope you guys enjoyed the rest of your day, and I'll see you guys in my next video.